Want to know how to track your affiliate sales using EverWebinar? You're in the right place. In this quick EverWebinar explanation, I'll walk you through exactly how you can start tracking affiliate sales with this powerful software so that you can optimize your efforts and grow your affiliate business. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal how you can use EverWebinar for free with some exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss that. First off, let's talk about setting up EverWebinar for affiliate tracking. It's pretty straightforward, but vital if you're running affiliate promotions through your webinars. The main thing to know is that EverWebinar integrates smoothly with various affiliate tracking tools, including third-party solutions like ClickBank or JVZoo. This integration will help you track which sales came from your webinar and give you insights into your conversion rates. Make sure you link your affiliate account during the setup process. Next thing, tracking affiliate sales through EverWebinar involves utilizing their analytics dashboard. You'll get all the details you need about webinar registrations, attendees, and conversions. But the magic happens when you start to use custom tracking links. With EverWebinar, you can generate unique links for each affiliate promotion you're running, whether it's for a specific product or offer. When someone clicks on your link and purchases after attending your webinar, EverWebinar will track that and tie the sale to your affiliate account. The third thing, let's talk about customizing your affiliate links. EverWebinar gives you the flexibility to add tracking parameters to your URLs. This is crucial because it allows you to know exactly which link was responsible for a conversion. You can even separate your marketing efforts by tracking sales from different traffic sources. For example, if you're running ads on Facebook or Instagram, you can create different links to see which platform is bringing in the most sales. The fourth thing, EverWebinar also offers automated follow-up emails. These are a game changer because they allow you to continue nurturing your affiliate leads even after the webinar ends. You can set up automated sequences that drive traffic back to your affiliate offers, and as long as those tracking links are included, you'll be able to monitor sales from each email as well. Now, for something you don't want to miss, the exclusive bonus. I mentioned earlier that EverWebinar offers a completely free version with our exclusive bonuses if you click the first link in the description below. That's right, you can start using the software right away and get access to some additional features that aren't available in the basic plan. You won't find this offer anywhere else, so take advantage of it while it's available. As we wrap up, remember that tracking affiliate sales with EverWebinar is about more than just knowing how many people bought from your webinar. It's about getting the data that helps you refine your strategy. By using custom links and automated follow-ups, you can make informed decisions that grow your affiliate commissions. If you're ready to start tracking your sales with EverWebinar, head to the first link in the description for your extended free trial and start seeing those results for yourself. Happy selling!